So let's see if we have WSL installed or not. Let's go to command prompt, open up, and let's see WSL space dash dash status, and let's see if we have WSL installed or not. It's not installed. Let's install it. WSL space dash dash install, and it will open up a prompt. Just click yes on it, and it will start downloading it. Let's wait for it while it downloads. See, it is installing it right now. It has downloaded it. Okay, it is. Let's see if it is installed or not. WSL space dash dash status again, and let's wait. Okay, it is installed correctly. You can exit here. Now we need to go to the Docker's official website. So just search for Docker download, and it will open up a website. So yeah, just open this up. So as we are using Windows operating system, we are going to download it for Windows actually. Yeah, so it is downloading right now. Let's wait for it to finish. Yeah, it's downloaded. Just double click on it, open it. It's going to ask you yes or no. Click yes, and make sure to choose a WSL2 instead of Hyper-V recommended, because it sometimes it doesn't work without it, like as we intend for it to work. Just click on close and restart. After it is installed, it is restarting right now. Let's wait for it to restart. Okay, it has restarted. Just log in and let's see if it is installed right now. And just open up the command prompt and write docker space dash dash version. Let's see if it is installed or not. So it is returning as the version. That's correct. It means it is successfully installed. Just write docker space run hello world to see if it is working correctly or not. And it says it is unable to find the image, so it is going to pull the image from the library. And see, it says here this message is, as you can see, this message shows that your installation appears to be working correctly. It says hello from Docker. That means it is correctly installed right now, and we have successfully installed the Docker. Yeah, that's it. Thank you guys, thanks for watching. Please make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel, because more videos on Dockers are coming. So